today's video, I'm going to be making homemade burritos for my family. So here I'm going to chop up some red onions, small as I can, and add them to a pot of canola oil. And it's cooking on about medium heat. Next I'm going to add some sliced chicken tenders to the pot, and I'm going to cook them until they turn white, until they're fully cooked. After that, I'm going to be adding some chicken broth and some spices. You can add any type of spices that you like. My family likes lemon pepper, cayenne pepper, and we try not to add too much salt, just to help so that we don't get any high blood pressure in the family. And you can add any spices you like. I like to put a lid on my chicken to let it cook in about medium high. And I'm going to wash my rice, make sure the water that comes out is nice and clear. I'm going to add my rice to a pot of boiling chicken broth, and I'm going to add a nice heaping scoop of butter, give it a good mix, reduce my heat to low, and let it cook for about 20 minutes. And sometimes I add a little spice, a little lemon pepper or salt-free seasoning. It gives it a nice flavor. And next I'm going to cook my refried beans. Add a little bit of water to the pot just so that the beans don't stick. And I give it a good mix, and I add some hot sauce, and sometimes maybe a little cayenne pepper for an added kick. While the food is cooking, I do like to clean up a bit. I try to wipe off the counter, wash some dishes so that I don't have so much to do when dinner is over. So after all the meat is cooked, not everything, but after the meat is cooked, I like to slice it up and go ahead and prepare it and put it into a tortilla along with the rice and beans, give it a good roll, and serve it to my family. I like to serve my younger children and my husband first, and my older children are able to serve themselves. What type of quick, easy, affordable meals do you like to cook for your family? Comment down below, and please make sure to give this video a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. show people how to put it together. Perfect. Okay, that's good. Sure. Yeah. Hold it. Hold it. Get a little spoon.
Ew. That's cool.
All right, you heard me.
You gonna do a thumbnail?